Spend time correcting your shortcomings rather than defending them. That's the only way you can make a significant change for the better. Remember to be mature enough to admit your mistakes and other poor choices, for it is a sign of strength, not a weakness. Almighty, grant us strength during these difficult times. It's easy to succumb to worry, fear and despair in this chaotic world. You're our source of hope and comfort. Give us the courage to carry on and keep our hearts firm. Let us not forget to glorify you in all situations. Ameen. Even when you're going through what you think is the worst period in your life, the Almighty's watching over you. He's waiting to see how you deal with all that comes with it. Do you bear good patience, or are you complaining every step of the way? This will determine the outcome. Some will come into your life pretending to be friends when their true intention is to control you. You decide who to allow into your life. If you grow resentful of people who take up too much of your time and energy, it's a sign you aren't setting clear boundaries. Do it now. The truth is, social media makes us impatient. We're rushing to get what someone else has. We want to be that person we see on our timeline, to live someone else's life. Don't let this happen. Learn to be content with what you have. Learn to appreciate the person that you are. Many dwell on their past to such an extent that it ruins their future. Learn from your past so you don't commit the same mistakes. But you must not stay stuck there. Move beyond all that regret and pain, because to do otherwise would be to waste what He has blessed you with, life. Stop overthinking. Stop feeding your mind negative thoughts and self-doubt. Most of what you think won't even happen. Don't torture yourself. Love yourself enough and be kind to yourself. At the end of the day, remember, the Almighty wants only the best for you. Being more pious doesn't give you the right to be harsh to those around you. If at all, you should be gentler, kinder and always willing to extend a helping hand. Be strict with yourself by all means, but when it comes to others, a softer approach will achieve much more. Whatever it is you're going through, remember you don't have all the answers to your trials. The Almighty does. Your job is to bear patience and manage the situation the best way you can. Let Him handle the rest. You need to trust Him. He is your protector and your healer. Your value doesn't depend on your looks, your social status or your past. It depends on how the Almighty sees you. Those with the worst past have shown it's possible to create the best future. So don't label people. Give everyone a chance, give them the benefit of the doubt.